like to say a few words about Srinivasa Ramanujan. It is pleasure to me before standing you. First of all, a very happy National Mathematics Day for all. National Mathematics Day was celebrated on 22nd December every year in India. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great mathematician of India. He was born on 22nd December 1887 at Madras during British government. His father name is Srinivasa Kuppuswamy Iyengar. His mother name is Komala Tamal. His father works as an English professor in college and his mother was housewife but she sang songs in temple. Srinivasa Ramanujan full name was Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan had formal training in mathematics but he had a large contribution in all mathematical discoveries. He had mastered advanced trigonometry. Completed graduation in Cambridge University, London. During his days, he became close to the great mathematician G.H. Hardy. 1729 is a Ramanujan number. Ramanujan's wife was Janaki. He wrote many books comprising his theories and discoveries. He worked in theories of series and continued fractions. His most famous discovery was series of pi. The first National Mathematics Day was celebrated on 22nd December 2012. This day is a contribution of Srinivasa Ramanujan in the field of mathematics. This day was celebrated to honor the contribution of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Several workshops, quiz, debates, discussions and seminars are held on this day. This day celebration is tribute to Srinivasa Ramanujan. Thank you one and all for giving this golden opportunity.
మన ఇండియన్స్ జీరో కనుక్కున్నారు కదా, ఎవరో ఆర్యభట్ట భాస్కరాచార్యులు వాళ్ళ తర్వాత వ్యక్తి ఏమే అంటారు. వాళ్లకు ఈయనకు ఎన్నో కొన్ని వేల సంవత్సరాల గ్యాప్ ఉండాలి. ఆయన ఆ మధ్యలో ఎంత వాళ్ళ తర్వాత ఈయన శాస్త్రవేత్త, వాళ్ళ మించిన నాయకుడు ఈయన.